this video, I'm going to talk about the text functions that are available for you in Excel. So sometimes the data labels are too long or too separated or too together to make the data look presentable in a presentation. So let's change some of these using the text functions that are available to in Excel. So we have two official languages in Canada, English and French, and so what we'd like to do is probably join the two of those together. So what I'm going to do is I'm using the TEXTJOIN function, and so I'm trying to get English, French, and so I am going to click on this, and I'm going to click on the FX, and there you can see what we're doing. Is what I want a delimiter, I want a comma in between there. Ignore empty spaces is default is true. And then I'm selecting the two cells so A4 and A5, and I'd like to join those together. And the result is English, French. Okay, so let's say we're going the other way. Let's say we have English and French and we'd like them on two separate lines. So what we can use is the TEXTSPLIT function. So here I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on the FX so you can see the formula. So we're selecting where we have the English, French. Our delimiter is comma, and row delimiters if your data was on two different rows. Ignore empty spaces. That's true is by default, and match mode. And so there you go. Now you have your English, French in two cells. Okay, so the next label that I have on this data is average number of children in census families with children. Now that is too long for what my needs are. So what I like to do is I would like to break that data or that label after the word children here. So if I selected the N, which would be the second N here, I would lose the N as well. So what I'm going to have to do is count spaces. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the fourth space that I would like to break this at. And so I'm going to click on the formula. I'm going to click on the FX key so you can see the dialog box. And so we're selecting A10. The delimiter is a space, and it's the fourth instance. So it's the fourth, counting from the left side, it's the fourth space that we want to delimitate from. And so now we're ending up with average number of children, and that is far more desirable than the other one. So the last one that we're going to talk of is we have a single detached house. Now I wouldn't need that. I just need to know that they live in a house. So we're going to talk about the TEXTAFTER function. Now you could go either way, but in something like this, it's better to go from the right side than the left. So let's click on this, and we're going to click on the FX to look what the formula looks like in the dialog box. So we're selecting A16. I'm looking for the space, but because I put in -1, it's from the right side, and it's going this way and looking for the first space, and that's where it's going to break it off. And that is house as is displayed in the cell. I hope these were useful for you in some of your data that needs to be cleaned up. Please subscribe.